Welcome to Axion Communications. Today we're showcasing one of our newest tools, SMS messaging. Why is SMS important? 97% of American adults own a cell phone and they check it on average 96 times a day. 89% of consumers say that they prefer texting with businesses rather than any other type of communication. So if you're looking to enhance your business communication by integrating text messaging into your company line, you've come to the right place. So let's explore how Axion's SMS solution can transform your customer interactions. What exactly is SMS messaging? SMS stands for Short Message Service, and it's a technology that allows you to send and receive text messages directly from your company line. It's a powerful way to connect with your customers and streamline communication. So here's how it works. Our SMS solution integrates seamlessly with your existing phone system, allowing you to send and receive text messages using your business phone number. No need for separate apps or devices, just one unified communication platform. And what makes Axion's SMS messaging the best choice for your business? Unified communication. Our SMS solution integrates with your existing phone system so that you can manage all of your communication from one platform. This keeps your business conversations streamlined and organized. Enhanced customer engagement. Text messaging is a direct and effective way to reach your customers. Send appointment reminders, promotions, and customer support messages with ease. Engage your audience in a way that's convenient for them. Believe it or not, the response rate for text messaging is 295% higher than phone calls. Increase efficiency. With SMS messaging, you can handle high volumes of customer interactions quickly and efficiently. You can reduce your response time and improve your overall customer service experience. Professional appearance. Text from your business line to maintain a professional image. Customers will appreciate receiving messages from a recognizable number, which helps build trust and credibility. Easy integration. Our SMS solution integrates seamlessly with many CRM, PIM, and ERP systems, allowing you to manage customer interactions and track messaging history effortlessly. And by choosing Axion's SMS messaging, you're not just adding a communication channel, you're enhancing your ability to connect with customers and streamline your operations. Boost your engagement and keep your communication professional and efficient. So if you're ready to elevate your business communication with SMS messaging, contact our team and get started today. Let's make your communication more effective and customer friendly.